here to do another design challenge from Heat Transfer Warehouse. The way these work is they send supplies and they send an article. It could be, in the past we've done shirts, and this time it is a little backpack, one of these nice little, I don't know what you call it, drawstring knapsack situations. I called it perfect for bringing on vacation and putting your dirty laundry in. Or making your kid carry their ski boots, because that's hard. Then we have supplies. These are the heat transfer vinyls that they sent. There's sparkles, there's not sparkles, there's puff, metallics, there's a bunch. So that is the project. And the theme is your favorite TV or movie show. TV show. So I decided to go with the Star Wars theme. Just, it's my husband's favorite, not mine. I guess it's mine and really his favorite, but they're great movies. So I went with the Star Wars theme, and I'm going to show you how I created this design. Hello, fun stormtrooper, with only one cutting mat. So, watch along, see what you think. We could only use the heat transfer vinyl sent to us by Heat Transfer Warehouse, and we needed to use at least 3 colors. I chose to use the Caesar Easy Weed in these 5 rainbow colors. If you're going to do a project like this where you cut multiple pieces of vinyl on the same mat, you have to make sure that they require the same cutting depth. So either you're using all glitter or all puff, or in this case, all Caesar Easy Weed. Use a strong grip mat and make sure that there aren't any gaps between the vinyl for the blade to get caught on. If your 3-year-old can weed your test cut, you've got the right depth. Something I love about Heat Transfer Warehouse is that for every type of vinyl they sell, on the website it tells you the exact cutting instructions for different types of machines. As you can see, the vinyl stuck to the mat and there was no trouble cutting from one color to the next. I weeded out each of the colors separately, put them back together to get a look, and decided it was missing a little something. I went ahead and added a black background, and I really think it looks great. Here I am getting any fuzzies or hairs off the project. Then I went ahead and heat pressed to make sure there were no wrinkles, just a couple seconds. I went ahead and positioned the black background for the helmet before putting it on the heat press. The sticky carrier sheet on this Swallowcut Express Black really makes it easy to make sure that your design stays exactly where you want it to be. The first layer just gets pressed for a couple of seconds, knowing that you're going to add more time as you press the following layers. After it cooled, I peeled it off and got ready to set all of the other colors on top. This is the most painstaking part of the process. You're only getting one press, and you want to make sure that every single layer is perfectly lined up. So find your inner perfectionist and sit there and adjust and readjust and make sure that everything is exactly right. I thought that I had done this well enough, and then in the end there are still a few gaps that the type A personality perfectionist in me isn't so pleased with. Compared to other techniques where you're layering heat transfer vinyl, this way of doing the project really does save you time because you're only doing one press. My personal favorite part of every project is peeling off the carrier sheets at the end. Yes, the perfectionist in me really does see that between the green and the yellow there's a little bit of black peeking through, but overall I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out.
As a bonus, my 6-year-old loved it and carried his boots to the mountain all by himself.